Hello students, today we'll do exercise 1.1 sum number 5. The question is matrix A is given 1 by 9 minus 8 1 4 4 4 7 1 minus 8 4. Prove that A inverse is equal to A transpose. So this problem actually you can do using A inverse formula. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. But there is one definition called as orthogonal. A square matrix is called orthogonal if A into A transpose is equal to A transpose into A is equal to I. Okay. Now, if a matrix is orthogonal, then A into A transpose will be equal to I matrix. But we already know that A into any matrix A into A inverse is equal to I matrix. We already learned this. But now the orthogonal matrix definition is A into A transpose is equal to I. So from this we get A inverse is equal to A transpose. So to prove A inverse is equal to A transpose, it is enough you prove that A into A transpose is equal to I. That is, we are going to prove this matrix A is orthogonal. We are going to prove this matrix A is orthogonal. So that means we are going to prove A into A transpose is equal to I. So let us first find A transpose. So A transpose is very simple. Put 1 by 9. Then take the transpose. The first column will become the first row. A minus 8, 4, 1. Second column will become the second row. 1, 4, minus 8. Third column becomes the third row. 4, 7, 4. So this is your A transpose. Now we are going to prove, we are not going to find A inverse at all. We are just going to prove A into A transpose is equal to I. We are going to check. So let us find A matrix A into A transpose. Okay, we are going to find, let us find A into A transpose. So that means A matrix is, that is equal to 1 by 9 matrix A. We are going to write matrix A. So what is matrix A? Minus 8, 1, 4. Second row is 4, 4, 7. Third row is 1, minus 8, 4. Into A transpose. So what is A transpose? It is 1 by 9 into. So it is actually 1 by 9 into. So it is 1 by 9 into. So let us write 1 by 9 into what is the transpose? Minus 8, 4, 1. Minus 8, 4, 1. Then 1, 4, minus 8. The third row 4, 7, 4. Okay. Now we can write 1 by 9 and we can just multiply this 1 by 9 and 1 by 9. We can write it as 1 by 81. Then you're going to multiply these two matrices. That means the first row and first column you're going to multiply. First row, second column, first row, third column. So when you multiply first row and first column, you will get 64, then plus 1 plus 16, correct? The first row and second column will give you minus 32 plus 4 plus 28, then minus 8 plus 16. Similarly, second row, first column I am going to multiply. So this will become minus 32 plus 4 plus 28. Similarly, 16 plus 16 plus 49 and 1. Second row and third column is 4, then minus 32 plus 28. Now third row and first column, third row and second column. So third row and first column, if you multiply, you will get minus 8 plus 16. Similarly here 4 minus 32 plus 28. This will give you 1 plus 64 plus 16. Okay. So it is equal to 1 by 81, 64 plus 16 plus 1, that is 81, minus 32, that is minus 28 plus 28, 0, minus 16 plus 16, 0, minus 32 plus 32, 0, 16 plus 16, 32 plus 49, 81, minus 28, this is 0, plus 28, this is also 0, this is again 0, this is 81. So when you divide by 81, you get 1 by 81 by 81, 1, 0, 0. Similarly 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So we have proved now A into A transpose is I. Similarly, A transpose into A also equal to, if you multiply, it will also be equal to I matrix. So that means, therefore the matrix A, what? The matrix A is orthogonal. The matrix A is orthogonal matrix. Okay, it is a orthogonal matrix. Okay, so since it is orthogonal, A inverse is equal to A transpose. Hence we have proved. Okay. Thank you.